Hello guys, today I'll be opening every single pack in the lightning round section. I haven't been doing this in a long time, so here we go now then. Attacking icon pack. There is a team of the year pick, which I'm very excited for to open. 150. I packed them before this. I don't know what I picked for Insha. Future Stars pick. Be good. 88. Okay, Kusanov is really not bad. My god, Cooper C, okay. Large day pack. This can be huge. Argentina, CM. Alright, yes. Could have got much better, but fine. From Mati! Gavi, that's good. I don't have enough to open the team of the year pick. Okay, we've made it. Team of the year pick. You're gonna see it first. I'm gonna close my eyes. 97. Oh, who do I go here? Oh my god. Oh my god. We have to go Rodri, right? I mean, I have his Ballon d'Or 97, so it will be rude to not go Mo Salah. What a pick. Ah.